guys, today we'll be opening my new Samsung. Okay, it won't be a long video. I already added the picture and things. So let's see. Okay. There we go. See? All clean. They also got this cleaning wiper. Yeah. Okay. So you're supposed to put water and it will look like this. Then we just let it dry. Then wipe. Wow, what a clean phone we have. Here it is. Here it is. So let's see. Whoa, it's so cool. Look at us, boy. You guys may notice how it like tape. So just have tape on the phone and do it all over and over again until you get to the end. Yep, that's how it is. That's how it is. People do crazy stuff to get views. Revealing their age, their address, everything that you have to do. But the legend never dies. And that's supposed to be. Technoblade never dies. There we go. As you can see, it looks like been packaged from Amazon. Now let's see. It'll have the satisfying. Thank you very much. Guys, this is real water. So if you try to clean your phone or whatever, don't do this. Hold on, I have an idea. You can't get off tape a phone. Don't just stand there. Or add another layer of tape. That just made a bigger mess. Water. we go. And I just cleaned your best phone. If you enjoyed the video talking, subscribe these blind bags. And then we're gonna do for the last video of doing something like high school's 18 blind bags, cute blind bags, moon blind bags, and the last but not least, the cutest one, boba blind bags. Yes, these are all the blind bags that I'll be doing this semester. Tomorrow I'll be doing every single video if you want. So, like and subscribe if you want. I don't even care. So, you can just like and subscribe if you want. I don't even care. You can just not do it, whatever. Or, I'm just not forcing you like those stupiders, like, single. Anyways, bye.